Hello there, it's Ray Richardson, CEO of LeaseTech, and I'm going to talk about the mechanics of Mr. Smooth today. Some people will be familiar with these. They're called stainless steel saddles or pawls, and they're commonly used in a column distilling process. Now, these particular ones are from a brew shop. They are made of 304 stainless steel, and they're inert. They just participate in the distilling process for the content condensation. These look similar, but these are the Mr. Smooth version. Right, so they're made of 316L stainless steel, which during our experimentation in the engineering lab, we found that this was the best receptor. Now, the difference between this one and the one that you buy from the brew shop is that this has been subjected to certain frequencies to embed a resonance, a specific resonance into these to subdue the harsh ethanol notes in spirits and wine. So the process is that there's 200 grams there, which is sufficient. You just put them into the flask, and from there then it's been designed to treat a whole bottle at a time. So you just pour your bottle of spirit into this or bottle of wine, and then using a funnel, pour it back into the bottle, and it's done. The effect is permanent. You can let the spirit sit for 2 or 3 years. It'll still be exactly the same. A lot smoother, more fruity notes that come out of it. You can pick up all the caramels, the spices in the spirit, and not the harsh ethanol. So the little kit that comes with a bag that you can store them in after you've used them. Simply, once you've used them, give them a rinse with half vinegar, half water, and then just let them air dry, put them back in the bag, ready to go the next time. In the kit comes an instruction leaflet, and that just tells you how to use it, our contact details, money back guarantee. If you're not satisfied with the product, send it back to us for a full refund. We've not had any come back yet. And of course, this is what it looks like in the kit. Very simple, easy to use, and it will give you years of enjoyment. The technology never wears out. The resonance is permanent, so you only ever have to have one kit